Hello, it's Sue Maddox from Sue Maddox Paper Crafts, helping you make beautiful cards at home. Today I'm going to show you how you can repurpose an advent calendar kit to make a beautiful memento to help celebrate a special occasion, birthday or a milestone event when you can't get together with family and friends. Okay, let me show you how we put this together. So the kit that I'm using is called the Christmas Countdown Kit from Stampin Up. It comes with this beautiful set of white drawers and some little die cut shapes that you can use to decorate the drawer fronts, and then some other little die cut parts to put together that advent calendar. Once you've glued it all together, it looks like this, and you can open each little drawer in the lead up to Christmas, put a little treat in each one. It's a beautiful project. Right, let me show you how we repurposed it for this special occasion. So friends and family, we couldn't be together for this occasion, so what we did was I decorated this up in some nice pretty colours, and then each of the friends and family emailed a little note with a birthday greeting or a birthday message, a wish for Hannah as she headed off into adulthood, and we popped one in each of the little drawers. So it's really quite easy to put together. When you get your kit, it comes with all the different parts you need, and it comes with the little drawer fronts that look like this. Now, I used some of them because there were a few that were in a neutral sort of a tone like this. So I've used a couple of those here. Let me just show you on the kit. So this one and this one, they're the two patterns I think that came in the kit that I used. And then I've just used one of these other ones as a template. Let me get a darker colour out. As a template to cut the other drawer fronts. So it's super easy. These are about 5 centimetres square. Now you can trace it and then cut out that little circle part here. It would be much easier with I would say it's a 1 inch. Let me just double check the measurement there. Yeah, about a 1 inch circle punch would be great. I didn't have one of those, but I did have this one here. So I just used, cut out my little square and then popped it in and just cut the little curvy bit out like that. Okay, and then you just stick them on the front of the drawer fronts. Let me just take one out so I can show you what it looks like. The drawers are quite small, so it's about 5 centimetres. So you just fit originally I was going to fold these up beautifully and tie them like a little scroll, but they wouldn't fit. They're quite small, so we had to just fold and pop the little message inside. The drawers come blank like this. Okay, and then you just add your little decoration on the front. They're beautiful. Now you can actually make 2 different designs with this, because you could put one lot on one side and then use it again with a totally different design on the back if you'd like a couple of colour schemes there. Let me just show you a few of the supplies that I've used for these drawers. So these ones here are done with shimmery white cardstock, and I've embossed them with the greenery embossing folder just to add a little touch of leaves on there. I've used a couple of different pattern papers. The main one that I've used is the Peony Garden pattern paper. It's these beautiful flowery ones in the grey granite and the beautiful pinks there. And I've also got a couple of spots in, I think this one here, yeah, just the tiles, and they come from the pattern paper called In Good Taste. What else have I used? I wanted to add a few little champagne foil touches. So I've got leaves here that are cut with, really just grab out whatever leaves you've got in your collection. I had, these ones are from the Birds and More dies. And then this little one down here, I don't know if we can see that. Let's pull him up a bit closer. Oh, no, hang on. Okay, that's not my best camera angle, is it? That one there is using the poinsettia die. Okay, let's have a little closer look up at this one. Now, much easier with these ones. I've used the champagne foil, and then grab yourself some of the adhesive sheets, and then before you cut them through with the dies, just pop some of that adhesive sheet on the back. It'll cut it all in one go, and then you can peel off the backing and you can stick it straight on. So that's much easier than mucking around with the glue. The last little bit I've got is these beautiful little pearl centers that came with the poinsettia bundle. So they were a pretty addition. Another one is the Elegant Faceted Gems, and I've got a couple of those on these little ones down here. I think I've popped one on here, a couple of other little parts there. Okay, now while I was at it, I thought I would make a matching card. So I've made this one using pretty much the same products. I've got the Peony Garden paper again, and I've used the script background there for the shimmery white layer. Probably a little bit hard to see that. That's always hard to show in the light. See if I can get that around. And a greeting there from one of my greeting sets. A little happy birthday. And then I didn't have an envelope the right size, and by this stage I was in quite a hurry. So this is actually just an A5 envelope, and I just folded him over and popped a little piece of the Peony Garden pattern paper on the front. This card is around about 6 inches square, I think, roughly. Let me have a little measure here. Yeah, 14.5 centimetres square. Okay, and then a little box to match, and this was to put our little gift in. We had a little voucher that we'd made up ourselves, and so wanted a nice little box to pop that in. So this is our beautiful little boxes here, and just decorated up in some coordinating bits. So put it all together, it actually came up as quite a nice little collection. Let's see it all together there. Oh. Okay, and there's our little collection of pretties. So Hannah loved that, and it was a nice way for friends and family to be able to send some wishes when they can't be there in person. I hope you enjoyed that project. If you'd like any of the products that I've used in that, I've got some links down below that'll show you all the different things. If you're shopping in Australia, it'll show you all the different details there that you need. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my projects, you can subscribe if you'd like, or I will catch you another day. Thanks very much. Bye.